soon the tax credit will go away, I believe at the end of this year. What do you say to people that can rely on this tax credit thing and are now worried that they're not going to pick up this nice tax credit?
So this tax credit, it used to allow you to just deduct off your taxes the entire 30% of your investment. And that is very financially attractive. But don't forget, even with that going away, most solar systems still have a 10-year payback or better. So that means the electricity that you're already using, you don't have to pay for anymore when you go with solar. And what you're going to pay out in 7 to 10 years anyway, you're going to recoup that all and have another 15 plus years of free electricity.